welcome back to Nickelville Camping. I'm your local RV girl, Jordan, and today we're checking out one of our coolest little adventure trailers that we have available on our lot. If you love off-grid camping or exploring our back roads, or you just want something lightweight but packed with punch, this one, it's the one. It's our 2025 Skinny Guy Armour 10 LT. Make sure you stick around till the end because I've got a surprise feature that's going to blow your mind. And hey, before we get started, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Ring that bell so you don't miss a single of my walkthrough videos. All right, buckle up and let's get started. You know the drill, starting off at the front as always, but talking about the important specs first. Our overall length for this is 13 feet and 2 inches. Our width is only 5 feet. And this one, it's gonna blow your mind. The dry weight is only 1,700 pounds. My minivan, your SUV, you can pull this.
Now let's talk about construction because Skinny Guy builds these things tough. The whole exterior uses their EXO protectant coating so road grime, rocks, and branches don't stand a chance. The diamond plate running boards and heavy-duty fenders add that off-road look and protect your trailer when things get tough.
Now let's get started. We have a power tongue jack so your arms are not hurting when you're cranking this up. We have a 20-pounder propane tank right behind that. We have all your connections right up at your front, your electric brakes, your 7-way. And right behind your propane tank, that's where you're going to find your area to put your batteries.
The 10LT is equipped with a solar panel and factory roof racks.
First things first, check out this beautiful exterior they did. I am absolutely in love. But talking about the real things first, we have noticed that they have added 2 entry doors on each side of the trailer. A nice entry step to get inside. This will be for your AC. That AC is 5,000 BTU. Right over to this side, we have an outside shower. Let's check it out. An outside shower with hot and cold water. Beautiful. This is where we're going to find our freshwater connection. And then right below, this is where you're going to find your freshwater drain. We have our Trauma Hot, which this is going to give you your hot water and your heat. Beside that, you have your city water connection. Above that, that's where you're going to find your power connection for your 30 amp. Swing around to the opposite side of our trailer. This is going to be your campsite side. We have an LP connection right below my foot. Also do have 2 rear stabilizers. Above me, we have an awning. It is a manual awning, but it's 7 feet and around 6 inches, and it's pretty easy. I'm very close to another trailer, but I'll show you how to get it out. This is where you're going to find your awning. It is a super windy day today, so I'm going to keep that in. More than happy to come on by Nickelville Camping and I'll show you in person. Now enough of the exterior, let's go check out the inside. Inside, it's small but very mighty and we have tons of storage. Right above, I have some overhead storage and they've added an elastic so nothing's falling out while you're traveling. Below that, I do have some pod lights in case I'm reading at night. And right beside that, I do have a USB and a USB-C. On my cushions, cup holder on each side. Right now, I'm sitting on about a 4-inch mattress, which honestly, it's a very cushiony, very comfy, and I'd be more than happy to sleep in here. If I forgot my sheets that day, honestly, the material is really nice. And would you believe me? Underneath this mattress, there is more storage. Let's check it out. Right behind the cushions, we also have more storage. And it does have that elastic band so nothing's moving while you're traveling. We have our 30 amp power connection cord that's in here. And there is no bathroom in here, but they have added a portable toilet. Now, flipping us around, let's check out what this side has to offer because there is a few things over here. Starting off with more storage, of course. I have some behind me and some here, and honestly, it goes far back there. I have a lot of space in there. We also have more storage, and they've added that elastic everywhere around the trailer. Over here, you're going to notice that you have your 30 amp solar control. Also, you do have an input on each side. So if you need to charge any power devices, you can do so. And right there, we do have all our fuses and important things. The best part, the kitchen setup. Let's take another step outside. And this, campers, this is where the 10LT truly shines. An outdoor kitchen. Who wouldn't want to flip your pancakes and make those burgers while enjoying the nature? That LP connection I was telling you about earlier on the exterior, that's for your Blackstone griddle. When I seen this, I was absolutely amazed. You have your 12-volt refrigerator. And above that, that's where you're going to find your microwave. A perfect setup so you're not stuck in a small kitchen inside. Behind me, I do have a large enough deep sink that you will get hot water and cold water for all those dishes. Use paper plates. Then you can just throw them out in the fire. Above here, we do have a lot more storage. Check that out. We also do you have your refrigerator power to turn that on. You do have some interior lights, so those pod lights, just in case you're cooking outside. Above here, we do actually have a power input, so you can plug in that coffee machine or maybe some margaritas. I also do have some USB inputs in case you need to charge your phones outside. The fact that they added a small receiver back here, this part above me, this is really ideal. If it's a light rain or a hard rain, at least you're not cooking outside in the rain. Now this trailer is for the people who love going out off-grid or exploring our back road country, and the people who don't want to go to the campground and rather just be alone. Before the wind takes me and camera away, that wraps up my walkthrough on our available 2025 Skinny Guy Armour 10LT. If you like this video and want more walkthrough videos, please hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. What was your favorite feature? The enormous amount of storage or my favorite part? Let me know. I'm your local RV girl. As always, happy camping, safe travels, and I'll see you next time. And you know what you gotta do? You gotta shop the big lot. Whoa.